Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
It begins on a quiet stretch of road. Officers pull over a black pickup truck, expecting just another routine traffic stop. But as the officer approaches and begins talking to the driver, everything changes in an instant. Without warning, the driver hits the gas and speeds away, tires screeching. What starts as a simple stop turns into a wild pursuit. Moments later, the suspect loses control. The truck spins out dramatically, crashing right in front of police dashcams. Let's see exactly how it all happened and how quickly a calm traffic stop can turn chaotic.
Hey, right there. Hey, you guys answer talking hurt on my guys? What's your name? Alright, you're not sorry. Hey, listen what I'm gonna tell you. You alright? I'm gonna read your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, and the right to talk to you. You cannot afford an attorney, the court appointment, the representative, any other charges. You understand what your rights are? Alright. I just love my girl, I'm sorry. Well, you know what? You kind of put a lot of people at risk today. Well, sorry, don't get it done. Okay. Punch me in the face, you moron. I didn't see you in there. Get up. Here. Take him off. Take him off. buddy.
Oh, get that car.
Don't move.
Damn, you guys do a good job, boy.
In my car, back.
You know, buddy, do a good job, boy. Shoot out the fucking car, boy.
7-11-16-23.
Bye, Bob. I love you guys.
Yeah.
Shut up.
No.